I do communal area cleaning, and I have to get to the places with a trolley often on London Transport, and I need to fit things into my trolley. Just like that. Standard trolley. I normally get my Hoover and all various other cleaning stuff into this little trolley, but the reason why it's so important, it's so great, is because I can do that. Otherwise I'd struggle if I had a bigger Hoover. So that's what it looks like. I've been using it for a few months now, and it's really handy. I first decided to get a Bagless because I was doing a communal area, and it had a lot of pests, cockroaches and you name it, so I didn't really want to bring my Hoover back with all the cockroaches in it. So I decided to get an affordable Bagless Hoover where I could basically chuck everything out in a black plastic bag on site, and this turned out to be amazing. So if I struggle with putting the whole thing in, I can separate it and just put one piece in. There you go. Do that all with one hand. The other great thing about this is that instead of having two bits that you have to put together, it's just one long bit. So it's easy just to open it up like this, even with one hand. And that comes in really handy when I'm doing stairs. You'll see the video in a minute of the stairs. Yeah, so really nice. It just means I'm only having to fit one thing in as well. The other thing is, this is so easy to put in to the bottom of it, this area here as well. So you can just clip it in. I'm just gonna put the camera down for a second, so I can have two hands. You need two hands for some things. There you go. Just stick it in like that, it's so good. It is kind of a little bit noisy, but it's got more like a smooth sound to it rather than a rusty sound. The material is, because it's an affordable Hoover, I mean this one costs £55. It's not like high quality, but I can see this lasting for a while. It's not gonna like rip or anything like that. You can see this, press it in like that. It's quite durable. The back of it is great as well, because this is all, it means that you don't get tangled up, and it's so easy for it to come back in. Press that like that. The head is not high quality plastic at all. You can hear it actually. And when you look underneath it, it doesn't have like major brushes, but the suction is really good on it. You just have to make sure that you're using the correct button there for what you're doing, whether you're doing carpet or whether you're doing floor. When you use it on a pile carpet, you're going to need to be careful because it can suck quite. The suction is quite heavy on it, especially a floor as well. But it's really good. Yeah, I've got no qualms about it. I do cleaning on a regular basis, and this has been doing me really well. I wouldn't say that it's a general cleaner though. I wouldn't say you'd use it for big areas, because it's a small cleaner. Rolls nicely as well. Fits onto stairs. Yeah, got nothing bad to say about it really. the filter is really easy to clean. You can just like, wipe your hands over it, or a cloth over it or whatever. Take the sponge out, give it a clean, you know. See what I mean? Just dust it out if you need to, but I haven't needed to since I've been using it. I haven't needed to do anything with that yet.